afternoon, ma'am, and this is my short poetry in ITLX. The title of my poetry is Digital Gate. I live in a world of screen and case, of hidden doors, of username, of identities, a world where silence is not footstep on the floor, but the click, the tap, the swipe, and the silence. Your life can be stolen with just one bite. Privacy, security, not just a word, but shield. Invisible armor that guards the field. Where our secret, our money, our voice, even our dreams are no longer in draws our safe, but floating in clouds, stirred endless stream. Think of this. Every message you send to a friend, every photo you thought would never spread, every login, every swipe of your card, every agree you click to pass. Collected, tracked, stored, used, sold, sometimes ignored. And yet, we scroll, we click next, we say it won't happen to me. Until it does. Until your name is the one on the screen. Your bank account drained, your picture leaked, your trust is broken. Security is just a lock on a door. It's awareness. It's responsibility. It's checking twice before you click. Guarding the phone in your hand, knowing your password is more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's saying no to convenience, because convenience is short, but the damage is stay. Listen, we are the guardian of the digital gate. Every click, every share, every update. It's a choice, a promise, a shield. So keep your data safe. Protect your name. Encrypt your file. Respect the game. Because privacy is not a personal, it belongs to everyone. It is trust that helps community grow, the freedom that helps society live. Without security, there is chaos. Without privacy, there is control. But with both, we hold power, the power to choose, to be seen when we want, and to stay unseen we must. So, I ask you this. Next time you type, scroll, or sign in yourself, I'm a guardian. I am gardening my digital gate, or I have left the door wide open. Because in this world today, privacy is heartbeat, security is the shield, and together, they are freedom we cannot lose. So, we gonna be wise, be safe, be guardian. And that's all for my poetry. It's all about is all about privacy and security in phone po sa society. And that's all, ma'am. Thank you.